This is the K-Line K42416 Backhoe construction scene, originally cataloged in 2005, Volume 1. Available to the public or through the K-Line Collectors Club. Included this is a die-cast dump truck and a die-cast backhoe. The backhoe operates as though it were digging. In this particular case, the backhoe works, but it has an awful screeching noise to it. Suspect it probably needs a little lubrication. So we'll take a look and see what's going on. Okay, we just take out the 4 Phillips head screws and see what we got. This DC motor and gearbox are used in quite a few of these accessories that K-Line had, also included in some of the log dumping cars. You want just a little tiny drop of oil to go in the end of that armature where the brush is pointing. You don't want to get down in the motor itself. That'll cause troubles. This shows you the other end of one of these motors. This is not the one. Obviously, it's white and not black plastic, but the construction is the same. The worm gear in the upper right-hand corner, you can see they pretty well greased this whole assembly. I'm going to make an assumption that there's enough separation of this grease that there'll be a little oil that wicks into that motor bearing and keeps it from drying out. So I'll leave it at that right now. This has the same motor and mechanism, the guy with the pickaxe, and you can see the sound is pretty much the same. This one was worked on, and it's working about as best as it's going to get. So I'm happy with the volume I got. And notice a little drag on the upstroke. That's actually the bucket hitting the base, and you see the 3 teeth there. It actually has a groove in there, so it's pretty authentic. So I'm not going to do anything with that. I think I'll call this a W. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.